Spectrum Mobile offers a convenient way to pay your bill via phone using its interactive voice response system. Dial 1-833-226-3762 to access the system, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The IVR guides you through automated menus using voice prompts and keypad inputs. You'll be prompted to select your preferred language, then verify your account by entering your account number or the last 4 digits of your social security number. Navigate to the payment options, typically by pressing 3 for billing and then 1 for payments. You can choose your payment method: debit card, credit card, or ACH bank transfer. Provide the necessary details securely via your keypad. Finally, confirm the payment amount, listen to the confirmation message, and note the transaction ID. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. Spectrum has improved this system with AI for natural language commands. Spectrum Mobile does not charge any additional fees for paying your bill via the IVR system. However, late payment fees around $3 to $5 will apply if the bill is not paid by the due date, and service disconnection is possible after 7 days of non-payment. Remember to verify the amount before confirming payment to avoid any mistakes. While IVR remains a reliable option, especially in areas with limited internet access, its usage is declining as more customers opt for digital payment methods like the My Spectrum app. Spectrum is investing in AI-driven IVR to handle complex queries and offer a more seamless experience. Expect basic IVR to gradually phase out as AI chatbots and voice assistants take over in the future, with IVR evolving to handle niche cases.